The Federal Capital Territory High Court sitting in Abuja has fixed September 1st for the hearing of an application filed by the children of Idongesit Nkanga, the late former military administrator of Akwa Ibom State, against eviction orders secured by the wife of their late father, Mosun Nkanga, following a judgment made by the presiding judge, Justice A. Musa of the FCT High Court, Jabi, on 17th of March 2022. Mosun Nkanga evicted the stepchildren and their mother from the family house. As a result, the children, through their lawyer, Ine Behe Efyong, are praying the court to set aside the warrant of possession of promises issued in favor of their stepmother on ground that she went beyond the order of the judge.
I want to emphasize this. I really thank the courts for even accommodating us on the 1st of October, because if you had observed, some other cases were adjourned to November and even December. But my Lord, seeing the seriousness of the issue placed before the court, accommodated us to come back on the 1st of September to hear our application, wherein we are seeking to set aside the eviction of the children of the late Commodore from their father's house. So the matter has now been adjourned to 1st of October. We will be back. But in adjourning the matter, the court made certain observations.
The plaintiff counsel also asked the court to urgently hear the case on the ground that the eviction have left the sons of the late military administrator homeless, but counsel to the judgment creditor Marvin Omorebe objected, arguing that the plaintiff have all the acquired property in their possession.
Why the court understood the points we have made, however, that the children can find a place to stay pending when the court hears the application. Two, the court also ordered that nothing should be sold. That was part of the order. That nothing should be sold. And of course, the court also said that any reports in the media should be an accurate representation of what happened in court. And all that I have told you is what happened in court. Because the court recognized that, yes, journalists have the right to cover proceedings, but however, the report, I have brought an application as a lawyer with my colleagues. It is left for my lord to determine whether the execution that was levied is in consonance with the judgments delivered by my lord in 2022. And if it is not, and if the court finds that it is wrong, we have sought the appropriate reliefs and prayers from the courts. And I believe this is a court of justice.
Now, recall that Mosun in 2021 dragged her stepsons to court over their refusal to grant her access to her late husband's house in Abuja, contrary to the will left behind by the husband.